constituency. To start with, Rugoru Kiamariga is not in Madera East constituency. It is in Madera West constituency. In haste to dispose of the deputy president because of political deceit and conmanship and betrayal, they could not even get it right where the land is situated. They were in such a haste to get rid of the deputy president. The land is Rugoru/Kiamariga 1223 in Madera West constituency. It's a 2-acre piece of land. It's alleged it has a helipad. It's a lie. The land is 2 kilometers from my rural home. And I have planted napier grass for my dairy unit. I bought it at 3.5 million shillings. Again, proceeds from my dairy farm. I have a dairy farm with almost 150 cows. And I do make an income of almost 1.5 million shillings every month. I can surely afford to buy 2 acres of land. And I take this opportunity to thank my brothers from the Kalenjin community for that dairy farm. Anytime I've gone to the Rift Valley, in appreciation of the support I give President William Ruto, the Kalenjin community always gives me a cow or 2. And within 2 years, I have the largest dairy farm in Madera constituency, courtesy of the Kalenjin people. I want to thank them for their kindness. I have seen an accusation